dolls? This is your KatEyesQueen as always. Today's look was inspired by, you know who? I hope you can tell by looking at this. Barbie, of course. We all at one point wanted to either be Barbie or have one or played with one. So I wanted to do a look inspired by Barbie. Well guys, if you want to learn how to look like a Dominican Barbie, stick around, watch the full video. See you in a bit. Alright, let's do that again. Hey guys, so as you can see, I have foundation on. I had to do it off camera, but I will show you all the products that I use. First, I started with my Caudalie, and it is Vino Source. This is my face cream that I use every single day before I apply my professionals. This is going to minimize my pores and even out my skin tone underneath my foundation. Then I went in with my Double Wear by Stay Lauder. And my foundation number is 4W1. Yours is gonna be probably different as we all have very different skin tones. Alright, now that you can see all the products that I have on my face before starting this, let's get started with everything else. So now, as you can see, I'm going to apply my Laura Mercier powder. I'm gonna try and attempt to show it to you guys, but it is a disaster. It's literally pouring powder all over my desk. But instead of applying with a brush, I'm going to apply it with the sponge. So with a brush, usually you can smear the product, the powder, all over your face, where with the sponge, you will get a more flawless look. And I'm just patting it onto the skin. And as you know, most Barbies have very, very slim, teeny weeny nose. Since I have a giant nose, I will be applying my MAC. Alright, and I also have my Sephora. So this one is the Pro Contour Highlight number 80 brush by Sephora. It'll give you a very, very tiny amount on here, which is what you need because Barbie is perfect. For my next step, I will apply my eyeshadow primer by Urban Decay, and this one is anti-aging. So this will give me a more softer look. It'll also help with my eyeshadow staying on longer, and it will intensify the colors. So you can see I'm using this finger here. There's no way I'm going to be applying too much pressure. Also, I'm distributing the color nicely even everywhere. Same thing to the other side. So you can see I'm not applying too much of the product. For my next step, I will get started with the eyeshadow. This one here is a Smokey Eye Eye Shadow set that I bought at Sephora. And these are the brushes I will be using for this, for the eyes. Now, the palette that I will be using for this eye look is my 35B Morphe palette. And first I'm gonna go in with chalk. I want to highlight the eye area. This literally is chalk. Why am I going in with this one first? It's so that the colors pop more. I'm gonna put slightly a bit underneath. Not a lot. I do not want to look like a reverse panda. Now, do we have time for some pillow talk? It's called pillow. So I'm gonna go in again with that big fluffy brush. Why? Because I kind of want to smoke it up a little bit. I know Barbie has a very intense, not so smoky look, but I'm not your typical Barbie. So this will give me like a soft, like just around the crease here. It'll diffuse the color a little bit more. I don't want that blunt look. I mean, I used to do that back in the day. And honestly, makeup has come a long way. I want to look like a more modernized Barbie, if that makes sense. Nothing wrong with that. This Barbie will look good. So once you got the desired level of color that you wanted on there, you can move on to your next one. Well guys, for the next color, bikini, because you know it's summer and yeah, that was a bad joke. Alright, so bikini, right on the crease, work it girl. Windshield wipe motion. Bikini of this palette is like my favorite color. They're all pretty, but of course this is like giving me life right now. So and as you know, Barbie has a more bold look. There's no smoking it up with her. And a little bit underneath to connect. Hi guys, so just to give this this look a more softer side, I decided to like pour my hair out. These jokes are bad. Okay, that's the name of the next one I'm gonna use. Heart. As you know, Barbie has the beautiful outlined waterline. So today I am using my Bulletproof 24-hour eyeshadow liner by Too Faced. Before I open it, I should have showed it. So this will open up your eyes, make them look a little bit more intense, as you can see. I used to do this back in high school and it looked funny. But for Barbie it looks cool, okay guys? Hi guys, so let's move to the blush. Blush that I'm using is Blush Rush by Smashbox. And this one is Radiance, as you can see. Barbie loves her blush. So I'm gonna pack it on. I haven't used this blush in a very long time. And as you can see, I'm using rotating motions. I don't like the whole line that some people do. It's just too crazy. So as I go, it might look like I'm doing this, but I'm also rotating my brush as I go. And once you're happy with the amount distributed, you can move on to your next step. The lipstick that I'm using is Rouge Allure. And this is a beautiful pink. And now it's jewelry time and wig time, and I'll be right back guys. And so that was it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you had a fabulous time watching it. If you enjoyed, give me thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and leave me a comment on the comment section. And I'm going to the gym looking like this because Barbie works out too.